What's up? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Runa. I know I look like a hot mess because, you know, I just have brows on and just some concealer on my lids because, you know, we're going to do a get ready with me. I love doing these get ready with me's. I haven't done one in a while, so I thought this would be fun to do because I just love glamming with you guys. I'm going to try to do more of these glam tutorials and like just get ready with you guys because I've noticed like you guys tend to like these too. So I'm going to do this video for you guys because you guys are amazing. So if you guys want to know how I glam today or what type of makeup I'm going to do today, I have no idea what I'm going to create today. I'm just sitting down creating what I want to create, and I love these type of videos because I get to like really explore my creativity, and then you guys get to explore the creativity with me as well. So these are fun videos for us. But anyways, if you guys want to see what I end up with, go ahead and subscribe down below and leave a comment and let me know what you guys think I should be filming next or what should I show next. You guys know I'm gonna have a lot of litty videos up for you guys right now. Okay guys, just to go in with some skin prep, I did tone my skin with my Rose Hydration. Always remember, I have all the links down below on anything you want to shop or purchase or try out. All the links will be down below and they're all shoppable links. So this is my Fresh Deep Hydration Facial Toner. I use this to just clean up my face, and then I went in with a moisturizer. And the moisturizer that I went in today, I actually did a serum. I went in with this day serum by Drunk Elephant. I've been super into this day serum. I think it's like amazing. I actually am noticing the texture of my skin changing and just brightening up and just looking really good because I feel like in the summer I tend to get a little dull from like, you know, just being in the sun and just like my skin getting stressed out from the heat. So I just feel like this is a great daytime serum. Obviously you have to wear a lot of SPF with this because I think it has like some type of brightener or peeling stuff in it, but it does give you an even looking complexion, so the claims on this is right. I'm gonna go in with some oil on my face. I'm gonna take this Pixie Rose Oil Blend and I'm just going to put it on my hand, and then I'm gonna just take I think I'm gonna do like 1.5 drop, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and mix that. And I like to put it on my foundation brush, and then I just like to just kind of spread it all over my face. And what this is going to do is just going to make it easy for my foundation to just sit, because I have dry skin. I don't want my foundation to not sit on my face correctly because, you know, when you have dry skin you can look cakey like real quick, you guys, like super quick. Today the eyeshadow palette that I'm creating this look with and I'm really into right now is the Jaclyn Hill palette. I kind of want to do like a quick everyday wear kind of look, and I'm just gonna like be out and about type of thing. So I thought that this would be a cute little eyeshadow palette to do it with. This is my favorite eyeshadow palette. I think she did like amazing on this. The thing about Jaclyn Hill that I don't like about her products is that she tends to like, she's like always saying that she thinks everything through and like she really like goes the extra mile, and I mean I'm pretty sure she does, you guys, but why does she always forget something and then she comes out with another version of it? So that's my only thing. And obviously I'm gonna keep my transition color, this color right here. I'm gonna go in with that color right there, and it's like a kind of an orangey color. Usually I go in with more of a brown, and so I'm just gonna put that into my transition color and just blend it out really well. And you know, I always tell you guys, like, you want to build up your color slowly. You want to make sure everything's just blended out really nicely, and you always want to just like do a light hand. So you guys, I'm going to take my MAC 221 brush. It's a really thin brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and take this really dark brown, and I'm going to completely deepen up this crease. And it's going to just add more dimension. So I like to keep my eyes open. This brown, this darker brown in this palette tends to have a little bit more of an ashiness to it. If you look at it, it's like a little bit more ashier. I really love adding some depth to my eyes because it just kind of like brings out your eyes a little bit more. Obviously, I know I've done a lot of looks like this. It's just another little neutral color. I mean, I'm aware that I've done tons of looks like this. I'm going to use a little bit more color in my next look. And right now, I'm going to film some outfit. So I wanted to keep my makeup very neutral. Blending your eyeshadow is just like so important, you guys. Okay guys, just to finish off this eye look, I'm going to keep it real basic and kind of boring. And I'm going to go in with this gold color right here. It's a really pretty gold color. Like I said, I'm going to do just a very basic ultra glam look. So, okay, for this step, I need a little bit of my mirror. And I'm just going to press that in to the eye. Be sure when you're blending this, like the gold out, you're not blending it like a lot because you don't want the metallics to get too high. So you just want to be very gentle on how you're blending it. I often do that mistake where I just get too excited with the blending and then I'm blending the shimmer out like too into my crease and then it looks really weird. Like, you see, I already kind of over blended a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my hand and I'm just going to try to get those like areas to just blend. Before I go in, they actually sent me a primer. This is their Brilliant Primer. I want to try this primer out. It has like a pinky shade to it, and that's really normal for any brightening primer. There's always a pinky shade. I'm going to shake it up just a little bit. I'm going to take it and just go ahead and put one pump. Ooh, I like the texture of it already. Actually really shocked because the primer has a very nice, like, smooth, glidey, hydrating feel to it, which is amazing. I love that. Just gonna go ahead and with one pump. Hope it doesn't oxidize because then I'm gonna look too many shades darker. You always want to just be your shade and embrace your color. Concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Stellar Beauty concealer. This is the number in 03. I just started to use this concealer. I just got it in the mail in PR and I'm like really excited to try it out today. So we'll see how this goes. Oh, and it's not super light. Y'all know that I wear like way lighter concealer than this. We're really changing stuff up today. Wow, the Stellar Beauty concealers, like these products are so high quality. Wow, I'm so impressed. I'm just gonna go in with my little blender and I'm just gonna tap this out and get this, you know, concealer. Oh, it blends really nice too. Yes. Going to start off with that transition color and then we're just going to just put that in my under eye. And the reason why I like to go in with a transition shade first, it's just like if you go in with a dark color, it's going to really weigh your eyes down. So you always want to go in with the transition color like this first, and then after you're done with the transition color, then you can like add more heavier colors on top of that. And I'm just gonna go in with this darker shade using the same brush, and I'm gonna concentrate the darker shade more on the outer portions of the eyes, and I'm just gonna kind of connect them right over here. I'm just gonna go in with my Laura Mercier powder. You guys know I love doing this. And I'm just going to cut my contour. And y'all know I love doing this because it just shapes my face really, really well. The only baking I like to do, I only like to bake on the lower half of my face. Everything else, I don't like doing my under eyes because I feel like it just makes my under eyes look really cakey. So I just keep it only in this area just to shape my face and give myself a more snatched look. But I mean, we're here and we're doing it, right? Personally, I think we should use the Anastasia highlighter because it's like really pretty. We're just gonna use this one. Yes, look at that, so pretty. Pack this on and then I'm going to, you know, put that into the areas that it deserves to be in. Ooh, so pretty. This foundation is nice, you guys. Like, the way the product just blends on this foundation is amazing. That's just glow central. I think I went a little excessive with my glow right there, but you know, can you really go that excessive with glow? I'm gonna go in with some blush. I'm super into pink blush right now, you guys. Like, I find pink blush so pretty. Yes. I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit with my stippling brush. Look, I'm gonna go ahead in with Stellar Beauty's Mythic Moon lipstick. This is a really pretty shade of a nude lippy, and I just thought nude would look really good with this. Ooh. Looks good on me. My lips are super sensitive today. But I like how this like glides on. This nude really complements my skin tone. This is amazing. It really complements my skin tone. It looks amazing, like wow. And it just glides on. Just to finish off the look, I'm gonna just go in with some details. I'm just gonna take this black eyeliner and I'm just gonna line my lids very little bit. Okay guys, so that is the finished look. It was a very easy, just quick, neutral look. It's not super like, oh my god, glam as F. It's just a really cute, simple look. I am gonna go do some stuff. So this is a very easy look just to wear day to day and just like looking glammy and pretty. I just didn't go crazy with my lashes because I wanted to be more wearable and simple. I just kept it simple. If you want it to be more dramatic, you could go ahead and wear some really dramatic lashes and then this look will just be like on 10, like on another level. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and just sticking with me through this whole tutorial and being the best you can ever be for me. I love you so much. Thank you always. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, turn on your notifications. Also, you guys know I'm on Instagram and Snapchat. Those are all Glambyruna. I'm also on Twitter sometimes. That's also Glambyruna. I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye!